Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the unit and protecting data. Backup contacts, nav, and paired devices to USB or cloud because factory reset erases user data. Make sure the car battery won't die. Keep the engine or accessory power on. Once done, locate Settings System Reset or find the small recessed reset hole on the head unit. Use a paperclip for a hardware soft reset if the touchscreen is unresponsive. This gets you into the actionable reset path without risking data loss. You now perform the reset itself and understand why each choice matters. If the UI works, follow Settings System Reset Factory Data Reset and confirm. This cleans user partitions. If unresponsive, power down and hold power plus volume down for about 10 to 15 seconds to enter recovery, where you select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and Wipe Cache Partition. Wiping cache helps fix boot loops. Make sure to remove SD and USB drives first, so the unit doesn't try to re-import corrupt files. You finish by rebooting and restoring functionality. After the reset, let the head unit complete its first boot. It can take 5 to 10 minutes. Then repair Bluetooth, restore saved backups, and apply any firmware updates from the manufacturer to prevent recurrence. Calibrate the touchscreen and confirm radio, camera, and nav operate. If the unit still fails to boot or remains stuck, try disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to force a full power cycle. If that fails, seek professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.